Is your iPhone lagging and draining too fast on your iPhone after updating or changing a battery? Hi there, this is Eva, and here is how you can solve your lagging and battery draining issues just in 4 advanced ways. Solution 1. Turn off the background app and refresh. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh Settings, tap Off. Solution 2. Remove unwanted apps from iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Please find out the unsent app and uninstall them. Solution 3. Turn off power-consuming settings. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security, tap Location Service, scroll down, tap System Service. Now display those settings that you don't need for your iPhone. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings won't delete your data but will restore your iPhone settings to their default values. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset all settings. If these don't help, try doing a factory reset. If none of these solutions resolve the lagging and battery draining problems, you might want to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. Thanks for watching!